Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first things first, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for checking for the updates. And then let's simply open the settings. And to be honest, you won't miss any kind of update because as you can see next to the About Tablet, we've got this option Update. After tapping on About Tablet, which is at the top, we've got also this option Update here. However, if you wish to simply check for the updates, just tap on this Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device is checking for the updates, and here your device is informing you that there is an update pending. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then all you have to do is to tap on an update is available and download everything. And the second scenario is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will also show you relevant information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.